Hi there, OCRs, mostly pilot OCRs. This is David Ashby for you. I've got one quick note for you about IL3 and specifically lesson notes. This is one area that we've been concerned about for a couple days, and we wanted to make sure that we put out something for all pilot OCRs and those that specifically that piloted in fall of 2015 and those that are piloting currently in winter 2016. We are just a little concerned about the lesson notes that are existing in after the transition of courses going from Brain Honey to IL3. So what we want, we've actually put a plan in place, and we hope that you'll take the time to do this. I think all instructors will benefit from this, but we want you to take time to look at the lesson notes. And so those can be found in your table of contents by going to Instructor Resources. And typically, your course should have this green icon here, which is what they call an HTML page. And so if we go to lesson notes, we're finding that there's quite a bit of language in these lesson notes that still has kind of Brain Honey centric language behind it. There's probably not a lot to fix, but there's probably some things in here that could be polished up. After talking to the transition team in the last few days, they're also concerned that they didn't catch enough and help instructors enough with Brightspace or IL3 specific language where possible. So, all that to be said, what we want you to do is just review this week by week. When you get a chance, just read through, see what needs to be fixed, and anything that needs to be fixed, you can do very easily. We want you to do this in your own course by going to Edit HTML and just finding the little things that need to be fixed. You might find something that refers back to notes from instructor or anything like those things that have disappeared. You may find language about introduction lesson or the conclusion lesson. All that's kind of gone away as we've gone to IL3. So if you find those things, it's just like you're editing any other kind of Microsoft or Google document. Just click that Edit HTML, fix what you want to fix, type what you want to type, what you need to do there, and then hit update. I'm going to cancel that. So what we want you to do is just update your lesson notes as best you can. Now, if your course does not have what they call an HTML page like that, that may exist in a couple courses. If that happens, you can add go to new and create a file and just title it lesson notes. And you could even, if it was in a Word document or wherever it might have been, you could try to copy and paste it over. If you're really having problems, contact Course Improvement. That would probably be the best way. So what they're wanting you to do is fix these lesson notes, put as much polish as you want onto them. And then what we want you to do to finish up the whole project is submit one ticket to Course Improvement, a fixed ticket, and ask them to copy the lesson notes from your section into the reference copy, into the reference course. That way, each reference course will get updated, and we actually have a little bit of a deadline on that because of the transition between winter semester and spring semester is so short. We need to have those done by March 15th. So that they can, because they're going to start making copies for the spring semester after March 15th. So try to get those in as quickly as you can. If you are watching this and you're after winter semester, the nice thing is if you're piloting in spring semester, you have a nice 7-week break. So as long as you get these done by the end of the semester, we're going to be good. So that's our notes on lesson notes. We really hope you'll take a little bit of time and effort to make sure that your lesson notes are there and can help all the instructors come behind you adapt and acclimate quite well to Brightspace. Thanks again for all that you're doing. I hope you guys have a great day.